a command known as a who command. Who command, it's going to show us the displayed the logged in user. So another question is display the amount of used and available space on your hard drive. Here we are going to use the df command. It's going to show us the space and the available. Then question C, we are going to use a for loop which goes through all the files in the directory and prints out their names. Here we are going to use a for while, a command known as for file in a $sign in bracket ls and ls $home, and that home is going to be our home directory. We terminate, we do echo and file, we terminate, done, and enter. So another question is to read the greetings to the people. Change the loop so that it goes through the names of your course. So here what we are going to use is the course mates equals to bracket quotations Robert as one of my course mates, Ronald, Herbert, Morgan, and others. So what we are going to do is we are going to use their names and a $sign, where we are going to use the postmates, send them the greetings. For example, we open up the bracket, we use a *, and close the bracket. We terminate, we do an echo, we use a $sign and a command name, open the quotations, how are you, a full stop and a question mark and a quotation. We terminate the command, we do done, then we enter. So to display. So our question, another question is find files whose name contains the string. We are going to use find / type space / fname #back *, and we close the quotations and enter. So the programs will run in the machine. So another question is create another file. In your working directory, create a file that contains 10 of the academic programs. We are going to use cat > act academic programs.txt, then we are going to enter. So at Mtesa we are having education programs, sports, guidance, bursaries, tourism, hotel management, we are having hairdressing, fine art, and others. So we are also going to create another file that contains a list of 5 names of the lecturers at MRI. We are going to use cat > lecturers.txt. So here I'm going to put Madame Bali here, Madame Nakato, Mr. Mr. Douglas, Mr. Dennis, and we are going to display a list of all the text files in our working directory using piping as less. So what we are going to use is ls *txt and ls, and we enter. We're also going to display a word count. Now the total number of lines in the text files displayed above. We're going to use the ls command *txt and we use lwc-1. We enter. So we are also going to display the word count, the academic programs .txt file. We are going to use the command as shown below. We are going also to sort the words in sc program.txt file into the directory. Here we are going to use sort d. Then another is unique lines in sc. So the unique lines in sc, we are going to use cat cat1 unique. Then another one is to change the length. Find the unique lines in the SC program, the txt. So here we are going to sort. We are going to find unique lines in the academic program, the txt. As we are going to another question, change the length of academic program, the txt file of 5 characters and display it on the screen. So here we are going to use fold 5 space, and the lines are going to be not exceeding 5 characters. So here we are going to use the man to use the commands and to understand them very well. We are going to use man to understand each of the following commands. For example, the fmtp command, here it can reformat each paragraph in the file. Then another command is the wc command, split file, the split pieces of file to out pieces of files. So it split a file into pieces. Then another command is that wc man wc, which is used to print new line, word, and byte counts of each file. Another one is unique. It reports or omits repeated lines. Then man cat is used to remove sections from each line of files. Man expand, it is used to convert tabs to spaces. Man tr, it is used to translate or delete characters. Man head, it is used to output the first part of files. Then man tail, it is used to output the last part of files. Man set splitter, it is used to output the last part of files. So thank you so much. Then set, man set, It is used to edit for filtering and transforming texts. So I submit.